So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of some of the gadgets I got from Ustine. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of some of the gadgets and the equipment I got from Ustine 7070. If you can hear any background noise, please pardon it. So let's start with the first thing. So first thing, I got this ring light. I got this ring light. It's an 18-inch ring light. Inside, this is how it comes, right? It comes inside a carton, and inside the carton you have a bag with the Ustine 7070 logo on it. So this is what it looks like. This is what the bags look like. So let's open the bag. So inside the bag we have, ta-da! Something fell down. But this is what the 18-inch ring light look like. I actually bought the one without battery space, because if you're to buy the ring light with the battery space, you have to buy the battery differently. I don't know if it is just the store that do that, but when we had two options, there are two 18 inches ring lights, one with the battery space and the other without. This one does not have the battery space, because the one with the battery space actually comes with a separate battery. That means if you have to buy a ring light with a battery space, you also have to buy the battery differently, and then he said the battery is around 15,000. So somehow I didn't budget for that. That's why I ended up with this. Okay, when we have lights we'll film with this, but if I don't have lights, then I'll film with my natural light until God blesses me with more money to buy the one that comes with the battery space and the battery differently. Okay, so inside this goodie bag, inside this Ustine 7070 goodie bag, aside from the ring light that you just saw, we have this phone holder inside, and this is what the phone holder looks like. So you mount it on your ring light, and also we have the adapter. This is an adapter for the charger, and then we have the charger itself, the cord. This is the cord, the adapter and the cord. And also we have the remote control for the ring light. And inside the bag, I think there's an extra thing. This is a strap for the bag, in case you want to hang it and hold it as a side bag, you know, for those makeup artists. It comes handy for them. And then second at least, we have the tripod stand for the ring light. You know, there are different type of tripod stand, I believe, you know, for big cameras, for phone holder, and then for the normal, you know, camera tripod. But this tripod is for the ring light. This is the unboxing. We are unboxing our new ring light. This is what it looks like. This is the carton. So inside we have this very long ring light. So we open it like this. We have this very long ring light, like this is the inch from here to here. So you open it, and then it can go higher than this. So if you want it longer than that, can you see? This is what we have from here to here. So we have a very long tripod stand for the ring light. I think it's pretty much everything we have here. So it has a cap also, so you can remove the cap if you want to mount your ring light. So this is testing time. It is time to test to know if we actually got. And then I'll be making use of the remote. I'm making use of the remote control. This is the remote control. I'll be making use of the remote control to see. It has like, they said it has like 3 different, you know, lights. So testing time. So this is pretty much the light. You know, you can dim it from off. This, I think this is the brown light, and then this is the, you know, I think the medium light. So at least this is the highest light we can achieve. Let me use the remote control to do it. So it's from, okay, let's start. This is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So like you almost have like 13 stages of lighting you want. If it's too bright, you can reduce it. You get, it has the remote control that I'm using. So this is auxiliary, like you can use the brown light if you want, but if you don't want city plus, you can make it like, you know, the other vibe, and then you can make it lighter. So all of this is achievable with the remote control. So I hope you understand. So here is my, finally we have a baby. Finally I have a ring light, and this is what it looks like. So congratulate me in the comment section. Thank you. Without any form of lighting, this is what I look like, right? Without any form of artificial lighting. And then it's time to on our ring light. So I think it's at the yellow light right now. This is off. So we can actually either make it white. This is a fluorescent light most people prefer in filming their videos, and then CT plus, right? You make it. So like this is how much yellow it can get. Well, you know, this is how white it can get. So I hope you really enjoy watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please share this video, like, leave a lovely comment, and don't forget to hit the like button. Yeah, leave a lovely comment because it helps the video, improves the video. So thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hi family, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm Alheri Ebenezer, and in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of some gadgets or equipment I got from Ustine 77. Yeah, I'll be doing an unboxing of some gadgets I got from Ustine 7070. If that is something you're interested in watching, kindly sit back, relax, and hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Ta-da! I'm Alheri. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of some of the equipment and the gadgets I got from, let's say equipment I got from Ustine 7070. If this is what you would be interested in watching, kindly sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching today's video.